What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So yesterday I made a video, I believe, on XRP, and it didn't really do amazing. Like, it's not the best video that I've ever put up. We're not seeing a ton of views that's happening here. But as you see from this title, you may have clicked on it fast. You may have not clicked on it fast. I don't know. Maybe you're seeing this a day later. I went all in on XRP. After making that video, I did a little bit more research within some things that I don't typically look at. I obviously wanted to look at the price predictions and the various price predictions because it's a large range of where this can get to depending on a lot of variables that take place. Um, but I kind of wanted to just talk to you about XRP, why I ended up making this decision, and go through what we are seeing today because we're adding to a little bit of that success, I guess, or a little bit of that movement that makes me feel good because one, I made a move into it and we're seeing some positive things today so far. But it's not about the short term, really. It's about the long term potential of the position and what my plan is for holding XRP. Now, I won't get into everything. If you guys do like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and I will go into some of those predictions and some of the information that comes with a lot of those predictions there in a future video, really breaking down the max price prediction that they did talk about, which was hundreds of thousands of dollars per XRP, which is, I think, insane. Definitely a way higher price than what I was expecting. Um, but seeing multiple sources there, it's definitely interesting to explore that a little bit. So, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links down in the description. If you guys want to buy XRP, KuCoin, you can swap for XRP with USDT. And, you can get yourself some XRP if you guys want to. So, again, like I said yesterday, I created this video, and it was definitely eye-opening to research it a little bit more than just the short term and what I look at. Because when I traded it before and when I bought it before, I was making money consistently, day trading it and swing trading it as it moved from 60 to a dollar 30 down to 60, back up to a dollar. It was making all of these moves, peaks and valleys that really just looked good. And it just made me comfortable with day trading the position rather than a long term investment. Also, you saw a lot less of the supply, the circulating supply that was out there compared to the total amount that was out there. So I didn't want any type of long term dilution that could affect my overall position in the beginning. Now, I said in this last video is that the one thing that I'm worried about is the dilution here. And you're going to see that it has 51% of the supply out there. Now, it's not crazy. 49%, meaning that you're not going to see it drop by half the price just based on being at the current market cap, the current value. So it's not that much of a problem. But if you're looking for something within the next year, the next 2 years, or anything like that, you always want to make sure you're aware of any type of coins that could be added to the overall supply there. But anyways, XRP is currently at 37 cents, almost 38 cents at a 2.7% gain. That's coming on a day to where everything is kind of dropping. You see the overall market is down by like 1%, a little over 1%. You're going to see Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, Shiba Inu's down. A lot of things are down, but XRP is kind of that one just saving grace to the market, right? That one saving grace to today's market, seeing the only little bit of green coming from XRP. And if you look at the volume yesterday was $1 billion in volume, and now you're seeing it at $1.36 billion in volume, which is amazing, right? I love to see popular positions. You know that I try and preach that utility without popularity is sort of a dead project, and popularity without utility has so much potential to create that utility, right? So with all of the popularity, you have the ability to create different things and all of that stuff there. But they obviously already have their mindset around being the currency, right? The digital currency that kind of leads the world market, right? It leads everything in, purchasing power. So, with that being said, there's a lot of ranges of um, of predictions that we see, where I see predictions that are around $3. I see predictions that are back up to $2 or all the way up to $5. And right, $2 would be a $100 billion market cap at the current price, maybe 100+ billion-dollar market cap at $2. Especially with the circulating supply now at about 51%. If you see this up at a $4 or $5 price range, well, now you're looking at $250 billion market cap, and it starts to grow from there. Now we've seen this all the way up to a high prediction of hundreds of thousands of dollars that this can get to, based on just being the currency, right? And it's understandable how that could take place. What's not understandable is seeing multiple $1 trillion market caps, or market cap for here, when you're not even seeing that with Bitcoin. So expressing that this is going to be even larger than Bitcoin could be a possibility, but seeing it at not only just trillions or single digit trillions, but tens of trillions of dollars worth of a market cap is sort of insane. It's kind of unbelievable for a lot of people. Now I see the ranges and I see the arguments, and all the arguments really make sense besides just seeing a market cap that's at an astronomical amount. It's just, I don't know, it's a little ridiculous for me. But it definitely shows that it has some potential to grow a lot further in everything that they are offering. So I decided to get my feet wet. Now I'm not going to bring this up on the screen because I would need to go into KuCoin, which I probably could find a way to go into KuCoin really quick. Maybe I'm already logged in. And if I am logged in, then I will show you what I do have. So it looks like I can get in. Let me go over to my trading wallet and just show you guys what I do have. So I ended up buying some XRP. I went all in on XRP today. I had probably $500 and I found another $100+ in order to invest in XRP. And I bought this yesterday actually. So I currently have 1,788 XRP, which is not a crazy amount. I know a lot of people that have a lot more. I'm looking to just dip my toe in the water. And the reason why I'm looking to just dip my toe in the water is because I'm not 100% sure if this is going to be as big as people think, but I don't want to miss out on the opportunity if it is. So I know XRP is going to find a way to reach some of its all-time highs. I know XRP is going to really run. Obviously, with the battle with the SEC, it's definitely something that's difficult to take in. But my plan for it is to have majority of this probably be more of a short-term move in order to capture my initial investment plus a decent amount of profit, but save about 100 to 200, maybe even up to 500 for the long term, and let it sit there in a ledger stacks or whatever for a long time and forget about it. Really set it and forget it. And that's really my plan there. So I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I want to dive deeper into it, and there's definitely some unknown or uncharted territory, uncharted waters for XRP for a lot of people. And I see a lot of different comments on where XRP will go. And it's just interesting, right? The unknown is what makes it insanely interesting. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I want to dive deeper into this, and I will if you guys are interested in hearing more about XRP and hearing what I'm going to do with the XRP that I have. I know there's some people that are interested in it, but I just don't know how much interest there is from the people that are on my channel that are subscribed, or any new people that can come in, any new subscribers. Just let me know how interested you are hearing it from me, because I will, break some stuff down with all of those predictions of hundreds of thousands of dollars to thousands of dollars to tens of dollars. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about the link for KuCoin. If you guys want to buy XRP, that's one of the easiest places to buy it or to swap for it. I do plan on making a video breaking down how to use KuCoin. And I don't know if I'll do that today or I'll do that another day, but I want to do it for beginners so that people can sign up and understand how to use it. So Anyways, I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.